guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna be doing a simple cut crease, which I've already prepped my eyeshadow off camera. So what we're gonna do is take a really thin eyeshadow brush. This one I actually made from watching a previous YouTube channel. I forgot the girl's name, but I'll link her channel below or the video. She showed me how to create this thin little cut crease brush. So we're gonna be using that today. And then we're gonna be using the Revolution cut crease canvas today as well. So let's get started, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so first thing you want to do is just kind of dab the brush in the concealer that you plan on using, and you want to put it on basically your lower lash line. I'm sorry, your top lash line, but towards the bottom, not like in the middle. Just like that. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Just like that. And then you're gonna look up. See? Look up just a little bit. And after that, you can feel it. Just like that. See? Sorry, you guys, if you can't see it, because I'm like too close to the camera, kind of. So sorry for this noise in the background. I try to tell these people, meaning family, to hush. What the noise? But some people just don't listen or don't know how to. And I like for this should be really perfect, so I may go over it a few times until I feel like, you know what? Perfect cut. Perfect cut. Just like that. You see that, you guys? Just like that. I have hooded eyes, so I like to cover my whole hooded eye, if you guys could see that. Like, I like to try to cover the whole thing rather than not, because to me it just doesn't come out as right. Okay, so then we're just gonna do the other eye. Again, lower lash. Look up. See it? Perfect. And then feel like you go, feel like you go, feel like you go, feel like you go. Tap, tap, tap. And then you guys, the only way to get better is to continue doing this. I watch a lot of YouTube videos 24/7, even when I'm at work, just to try to make sure I get better at this. Because I know I'm just as good as anyone else in doing it. It just takes practice. So do you guys see that? I feel like my camera is a little bit too bright. Okay, perfect. How does it look, you guys? After that, we're gonna go ahead and take our shadow color that we're gonna use, which is gonna be this red. And then I'm gonna list what palette I use too, you guys, so you know. But we're gonna lightly just tap the outer. First we'll tap the outer, and then we go more towards the inner, towards the top, kind of at an angle. And then we're just gonna do the other side. Start at the outer corner, and then start going in towards the top, and then do the little swifts. You guys, I don't know where the heck I got these little swifts things from. I don't know. I'd be trippy sometimes. I decided to kind of outline that part because I want it a little bit darker there. See that? Because I noticed I want it a little bit darker because it just gives it a better effect. Like that. You have to take this really like thin brush. This is my BH Cosmetics brush. And you just want to take a really thin one. I think this is actually an eyeliner brush, but today we're using it to line this shadow. But I bought a ton of these, like so many different colors, so many different ones. But I'll pop that link actually in my video too. That way you guys can see in case you want to get it. But I'm gonna be using this red with some hint of silver in it. And then the glue that I'm using is BH Cosmetics. Now, as you guys can see, the whole tube is black because the writing wiped off. But I'll post that on my detail summary as well. And then you just want to put a little bit of glue on your hand or in, yeah, that part. And then you want to take out this small brush because you're going to be putting the glue and then I just actually dab on the glue just like that. I should have put way more. Just like that. And then it's okay. That'll come off. So then we're gonna take another like flat. This is a flat eyeshadow brush. Okay, everybody want to walk through my little filming today. Why? I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna dip it in the brush, and then we're gonna start just like the lower lash, pack it on. Just like that. Okay, you guys. Now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and get an eyeliner. Now we're just gonna put the lashes on. Okay. Oh my God, I just made that so easy. It never takes me that short of a time to put lashes on. Like, ever. Like, ever. Okay. I'm just gonna push down on the lashes. And I'll make sure to list what lashes these are below. Okay. Gotta fan these things so the glue is dry. Put that on. And then you guys never guess what type of eyelash glue I use. A lot of people probably use this. But that wig glue eyelash, or sorry, that wig glue for eyelashes is like magical. But anyway, then you want to put the eyelash on. Then like I'm always struggling with the glue and stuff, like ugh, but they on there though. Okay, so I'll do my entire face off camera and then I'll be right back and show you guys the final look of everything. Be right back. And this is the final look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know at the bottom. And if you guys want to see any other looks, just let me know. And I will see you soon.